Bluebell Creameries. Does that name ring a bell? It probably does if you're from one of Bluebell's 21 states of operation. Let me give you a little backstory to their history. Bluebell Creameries was initially named the Brenham Creamery Company when it started in 1907 in a small town near the Houston area. They initially made butter and other dairy products locally for people in Brenham. They started making ice cream along with butter in the mid 20th century, but by the 1960s they had stopped making butter and had switched to only making ice cream. They later started selling their ice cream to people in the Houston area. Since people liked it so much, they decided to sell it throughout most of Texas, eventually into Oklahoma, and now they sell their ice cream in most of the southern United States. I can even get it in Colorado if I go to larger stores like Safeway. Another part of Bluebell's darker history is when listeria was found in many of their production plants. Many of you probably remember it because it was recent, since it happened only 5 years ago and was most impactful in Texas. Bluebell still hasn't fully recovered, only operating in 21 of its former 23 states. Now, since you've learned about Bluebell ice cream, how about you go get some? Give yourself a treat. I mean, it is pretty hot out here. Might as well cool yourself off and get a treat.